Well, we made it. It's Canada Day again. I believe we're 158 years old today. So happy Canada Day, everybody. And to those in the U.S. that are watching, appreciate you. And happy Independence Day. I know it's not yet, but hey, we're all human. We're all celebrating our countries. And, I think we got more similarities than differences between Canada and the U.S. I wish our leaders would remember that. And anyways, it's July 1st. It's Tuesday. Markets were closed here in Canada. It's a holiday, but they were open in the States. And the reversal is going to be true on Friday when it's 4th of July. So, today it was kind of light trading. I think it's kind of light trading throughout the week. I didn't do anything. I had beer on the patio. I seem to have a habit of doing that. But you know what? I'm of age and I like my beer. So I'm going to have it. Anyways, made no trades. Ended the day down 3.5%, like a kick in the nuts, if I wasn't expecting it, to $116.6 thousand, $116,600. I suppose it could have been worse. Trump and Musk are having another tiff, and I'm glad I don't have any Tesla, like I said before in another video, because I'd be livid right now that that they're getting into it again and affecting my holdings. But anyways, it was what it was, and tomorrow's another day. And as I said, no trades today, nothing to report, just down 3.5%. So ouch. Anyways. Hope you have a good one, and thanks for watching. Any questions or comments, please leave them below. Enjoying talking to people that are subscribing, and thanks for talking. And I'm happy to be of service to help make suggestions to people. Remember, I'm not an expert. I'm just a guy on the internet. But if you're getting started, I was about 34 when I started investing seriously. So, I know what it's like to kind of get a late start. And I'm in my 40s now, and, it's taken 10 years to get over 100,000 because I'm on disability and I don't get a lot of money. I don't earn a lot. I've had periods throughout the past 10 years when I worked and contributed a lot more to my registered disability savings plan, but it's like a lot of people, it's paycheck to paycheck on disability insurance, pension. It's not great. So getting to 120 is a major milestone for me. Dropping to 116 kind of sucks, but what are you gonna do? It's the nature of the beast. You got to take it as it comes. I think July is probably going to be volatile, so be forewarned. I don't know anything about the future, but I suspect that when Trump announces what the tariffs are going to be on July 9th, we're probably going to see another drop, another bunch of volatility. Might be an opportunity to pick some stocks up, or some ETFs or what have you, but July last year was great. There was a rally into, I think it was mid-July, and then sort of tapered off, and then August we saw a huge drop. So summer can be one of those times that there's thinner trading and a little more volatility sometimes. So I hope I'm wrong, but I kind of expect that July 9th we're going to see the shit hit the fan, so to speak. Hope I'm wrong. Anyways, happy Canada Day, and happy Independence Day to my American friends that are watching. Thanks for checking it out, and I'll talk to you again. Cheers.